how to get level 255 enchantments in Minecraft. So first, what we want to do is just click escape on our keyboard, then click on open to LAN and make sure that allow commands is turned on. So once that's done, just go to the description of this video and check the code that will be used here, or the command that will be used here on our game. So once you have copied it, just simply click on T to open chatting commands and just simply paste it right here. So instead of it axe, I'm just gonna get the sword right here. So diamond sword, and here on the right side, as you can see, it says sharpness. So you could set what enchantment you want to use, also the level, but for this video, we're gonna go to level 255 enchantments. So once that's done, just click on enter on your keyboard. As you can see, it will automatically give you a sword. So I have my sword right here. When I go to my inventory, it says sharpness enchantment level 255. And that's how you basically enchant your items to level 255 in Minecraft.